Pakistan Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif is likely to step down on Wednesday, that is on August 9th. The coalition government led by him is all set to dissolve Pakistan's National Assembly prematurely to get extra time for holding the general elections scheduled for later this year. The 5-year tenure of the lower house of the parliament is ending on August 12th. But it is likely to be dissolved on August 9th by Prime Minister Sharif, who will send advice to President Arif Alvi. In case the president dithers, the assembly would be dissolved within 48 hours of advice given by the Premier. As per reports, Sharif made a farewell visit to the general headquarters of the Pakistan Army in Rawalpindi. The Prime Minister was welcomed by Chief of Army Staff General Asim Munir. As per political analysts, the Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz or PMLN-led coalition government would have remained in power for a couple of more days and dissolved the parliament on August 11th. But observers said that President Alvi might refuse to issue a notification immediately for the dissolution. This is why the advice for dissolution is being given 3 days before the end of the assembly, so that even if the president refuses to oblige the Prime Minister, the assembly would be dissolved before the end of its term. This will give the Election Commission of Pakistan or ECP 90 days for elections. In case the assembly completes its constitutional term, the ECP is bound to hold an election within 60 days. Any new census entails a new delimitation exercise for which the ECP gets 120 days as per law. Once it completes the exercise, the process of elections would start, meaning that the polls would be delayed by a few months. Meanwhile, Pakistan's Interior Minister Rana Sanaullah said that there is a possibility of a delay in holding the next general elections. Though the government is set to dissolve the assembly and allow delay in elections, the name of the caretaker Prime Minister has not been revealed as yet. But the government and allies are reportedly discussing names. Talking about the candidate under the consideration for the role of the caretaker Prime Minister, Sanaullah said that they are all respected names and discussions were underway. Constitutionally, the incumbent Prime Minister would carry on until the caretaker is agreed upon.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.